Shibal.
I will capture.
Okay, so we're stunning their front here.
What the fuck is this? Freezing the gloves? You have Pierce?
F1 siya
Incoming
Nail.
now. I'm hitting front.
Reset in 3, reset in 2.
I'm gonna seed front.
And stun front. I mean stun bird.
I'm hitting healer here, bro. Pressuring the healer.
Reset in 7.
Piercing bird.
GG Kiro. Reset in 3, reset in 2.
I'm seeding front.
What the fuck
Careful.
is this Hellfire, bro?
Siya kunin. Take care siya kunin, take care. I got nothing.
Piercing
GG siya kunin here.
gloves.
I have no GG, GG siya kunin.
Reset in 3. After stun, reset in 2.
I can store him there. They reset.
Stun bird in 5.
I'm pressuring the end. Pressuring the end at the back. Decomboing heal dip. I don't have GG. I don't. The diving heal dip.
Goods ka pa?
No W at the back.
Okay. Big percent. Look at 10. Oh.
No cleric.
You have GG?
Can go and go and agad.
I have no GG, no GG.
I can Judy in 5.
Reset in 1. Ay, ni-rape lang ako.
Jackass!
Pangit yata rotation ko doon. Nag-ano ako sa bird.
Entire rush.
Pero yung priority mo, Cash, is to hit whoever is inching up yung na-RD. So kung sino yung mas malapit, you try to go on them.
Wait.
Hindi, pag wala nag-inch sa end tayo.
Sige.
Kasi combo base yung burst type yung bird eh. Pag nag-dive siya, wala tayong pakialam. Pero may laki pa rin siya pag nag-dive eh. Kotse. Jackass!
Hindi ko yung stun to.
Priest
Yeah. We can pressure him.
Big priest. Anti-heal.
Nice. Kid front.
We don't have Bon.
Yeah. I think the GG.
Yeah, we can walk up.
I can
I can
reset.
stun NT.
The combo siya kuni.
Pressing adgap. The gloves.
Playback siya kuni, playback. Don't play there. Ay, GG siya kuni. I got no big heal. Reset in 5.
Okay.
I still have GG. I still have GG for front.
Reset in 2.
I can
Come down siya kuni.
Reset in 1.
I think he'll lag the fuck out.
Shakuni lagging, bro. He's coming back to India. I'm under the water.
Calm down, Shakuni.
Down.
Ang ano nakapon agad.
Reset in 3, reset in 2.
May GG pa ako for front.
Piercing the hammer.
I can
Hammer.
I mean, I can stun NT here.
Yeah, I can look and
I have reset in 4, reset in 3.
I missed.
I GG GG Doppy.
Reset in 1.
Piercing enter and then.
Oh my
Yeah.
god.
Slowing here, no W. No.
And
I got
no
no
cleric.
idea.
And no cleric.
Reset
They have
in
no
7.
phone also.
You do
Reset in
pierce.
3,
Pierce.
reset in 2.
Pierce the.
Reset in 1.
May armor ka, ano?
Stunning NT here. When's next reset? I can drop Judy.
Reset in 3.
The bird. Adgap pierce.
Okay, I can stun front for now.
Gloves.
You can die here.
Tail. Okay, ganda.
You got pon. GG.
Step on GG.
Reset in 3. Reset in 2.
I still have GG. I have GG per cash. GG cash.
Can look for adgap. Piercing adgap. The gloves.
I can stun in 5.
Reset in
Stunning
3.
healer.
The pierce. I'm piercing the gloves.
May mana ako cash.
Pierce.
Can you drop mana?
2 seconds.
Can you drop mana?
Can look for gloves.
Hitting gloves.
Reset 3, reset 2.
Anti-heal. Big Pierce. Pagod ka na.
I kay GG Duffy.
Medyo 4.
Okay.
Reset
Ano
7.
yung damage?
Dati
Kasi
sa
kayo
routine
nagsisync.
niya.
You're not syncing.
Piercing Adgap. The gloves.
When you try to hit cloth,
One use.
you're just hitting plate.
I'll go hit the Cotis, bro. Fuck that.
Reset
Did
4.
natin sa routine. Can't no bots, I can slow him here.
I'll pierce the
Then
bird. Oh, no, never mind. I'll pierce the end.
No
Piercing
bots, no
Spears.
W. Ano.
And this pierce.
Reset 7.
Instant end here.
Cleric here.
Reset 3, reset 2.
Just keep sitting end. Keep sitting end.
Reset 1.
I'm gonna need go back.
Oh, di ko na-catch. Gago. Pabalik pala
I'm
mo.
gonna GG you. I got no big
That's
deal. No big deal.
I'm bad here.
Reset 3.
Piercing the end.
Reset 1.
We can kill him here. The tank inside.
Ay na. Sobrang tagal ng rotation, gago.
Yeah. Don't think we are syncing because we're hitting plate.
Di natin mapabad yung blade eh. Di mo makatras.
Walang stocks eh. Kailangan may stocks ng curse.
Kaya one stock lang lagi. 1 to 2.
Yeah.
Sobrang haba
Pero
ng
naglalag
rotation.
siya. Can you drop mana for me, Shakuni? And for the team? Thank you so much.
Sorry. What, Niga?
Take space. Oh, fuck.
I'm gonna reset.
Piercing the helper.
I think
Instant end here.
we cannot see shit dyan sa taas.
Just stock front first. Don't go up yet.
Can you stop him? Yeah, like that.
Reset
no
3,
boots.
reset 2.
Bird no boots? Okay.
Yeah, no boots.
Piercing bird.
I can stun bird here.
Bird is pierced. Big pierce.
I'm slowing him here.
Reset 3, reset 2.
They're really bad. I sit on front. I
I
have
can stun
still.
end here.
We can go up. We can stop.
I can swap
Focusing
end.
and
I can stun end in 5.
nice. We still go. I have still GG.
Reset 3, reset 2.
Just take for end.
I'm gonna GG Doppy.
Can you
I can stun
Okay.
end here.
Just go
for
and
end,
again.
go for end.
Yep.
Piercing
I
end.
can slow him here.
And this piece.
Wait.
Reset 3, reset 2. I
Bonus.
still have GG.
Piercing end.
Can you mana cast?
Reset 7.
I can stun end 5.
Mhm.
We're just inside, by the way.
Reset 3, reset 2.
Still going for end.
Wala akong GG.
Did you reset?
I'm just controlling bird here.
Ano blade nga? Pierce ko yung blade.
Okay, wait for stops.
Blade pierce. Anti-healed.
May GG pa ako. We can go. Ibili ka.
I'm out of mana, ha?
Big pierce.
Ako rin.
Royal in the front. Come.
I'm gonna leave cash here.
Reset 3, reset 2.
Blade pierce. Oh, I
Reset
mean,
1.
and oh,
Just go blade.
anti-heal. Big pierce.
Oh,
Ay, di umabot. Reset 3, reset 2. Reset 1.
tap mo nga to
Wala
cash yung fucking
Gago.
ay yung blade.
Mama. Reset 3, reset 2. Reset 1.
Haba na rotation, gago.
Ang inang rotation.
Wala nangyayari.
Wala
Blade
akong
tayo,
GG.
blade tayo. Pag may wala tayong
Wala.
first stocks eh.
Parang Blake nga lang kaya patayin eh. Ang lakas nila mag-sustain.
Wow.
I-bait yung dalawang pierce sa sa harap tapos go Blake.
My bad kanina sa akin. Nag-boots in ako kaso na double tap ko, bumalik ako. Ayun sana yung
Oh,
Blight.
Cap sa gitna.
Pero makapatay lang talaga tayo pag 4 stacks na yung target.
First stacks what?
First. Ay boy ka.
Oo.
Kaya boy.
Sige, northeast. Northeast. Ang haba ng rotation na puta.
Kuni, you have, you're recording your POV, right?
He's getting
Okay.
fucked in the
Oh
ass.
my god, you're getting fucked.
Opo. Piercing ng the Hammer. Antay
Can you
yun.
drop
Ay, so again.
Pierce.
Okay.
Mana siya
Oh,
kung
I think we can fight here. We can fight here. We can
Yung
fight.
mana kayo.
Go. We can go for it now. After, I can pierce him after his E.
I have reset in 3, reset in 2.
Okay, piercing the Blight.
I'm gonna GG ka siya.
Can stun in 5.
Big pierce. Can you still look? Put some stuff
No,
in.
okay. No cleric. No boots.
Reset in 2.
Ganda.
I can W him here. Die.
Go for end. Piercing end. And then.
Okay.
Stun 5.
Nag-miss pa ako.
Third now.
Okay.
Go for bird.
No rotation now, no GG.
May G pa ako. I-boots. No boots.
Reset in 2.
I'm gonna cap south.
Pangina, ganun nga lang yung gagawin.
Hindi, wala na tayo oras. Wala na oras, papatay na tayo. 7 minutes
Kuni,
ano.
you record your POV, right?
You still have comeback potential.
Or
Aba, one fight. One fight. We hold high ground.
Gusto ko eh.
Just keep stacking the front. Stack. Then if they use big heals, we go for Blight.
Or
Ay,
and
Ang daming defensive ng Emperor.
hindi kasi madali lang kasi abangan na naman. Tsaka wala man tayong big talaga damage eh. That's tayo.
Oh, that's...
Wala tayong long cooldown for damage.
Oh my god, Shakuni, you're gonna get fucked.
piercing hammer.
In front.
You have no boots, be careful. Okay, anti-heal him.
Nice.
Big pierce.
Shading front. We can kill him. Nice.
I can GG cash.
Yeah, go push.
I have
You
reset.
have GG for me, right? Piercing end. Oh, no.
Still GG.
Third, no helmet, no.
Okay, we can look for
Slow
bird.
at the back.
Piercing bird.
Third,
Bird
No
no
boots.
Can you put him back?
I don't have stop yet.
Okay.
We can look for
We can
end
go for
top light in the middle. Okay.
I have reset in 3, reset in 2.
Anti-heal.
I can stun in 5.
Can you drop mana, Shakuni?
Piercing Blight can die. Blight can die.
Gonna GG Doffy.
I'm gonna slow in here. Oh fuck.
Boom.
Tangina nyo.
Ang
Na Hiroshima.